Previously on TWiT.
Stupidest product Apple has ever made, or I hope ever will make. I would actually nominate it as the stupidest tech product ever made. The $12,000 solid gold.
Oh,
gadget.
There you go. There you go.
Apple hasn't lost touch with the consumer with that product.
Ask the Tech Guy.
Some devices, like my Dyson 360i, aren't compatible with 5G bands. The vacuum cleaner and the router just can't see each other. 5G does not travel as far as 2.4 gigahertz. You take your Dyson for a little walk, and you walk far enough that you can no longer see the 5 gigahertz, but you can still see the 2.4.
Hands on Android.
A hidden Easter egg in Android opens up a settings section filled to the brim with settings that are made for developers. I'm going to show how some of those options may be useful for everyone.
Hands on iOS.
I am going to show you how to create a Memoji, and then how to edit it, how to send it, how to record it, everything you need to know about Memoji.
All about Android.
So I brought the Oppo Find X2 Pro. This is vegan leather, and it feels super nice to touch. This is it next to the V60.
I don't know if the phone's enormous or you have a small head.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
TWiT. I have spoken.